Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.
It's done now. Okay. Now if I will ping from here 100 packet. Okay. Now we will check the statistics. So you can see. Okay, maybe first some. Now let me ping again. Okay, clear tunnel statistics. Clear again. Ping. Now if I will see the tunnel statistics, you can see all 100 packet duplicated. One source is 11.1.2. That is our internet. Destination is 18.1.1.2. That is the internet. 11 is our internet connection. This 18 also internet connection. Okay. Another packet sent from MPLS 12.1.2 to 17.1.2. From 12.1.2 to 17.1.2. So it's duplicating all the packets. What I will do, I will okay clear this one. Clear. Now I will ping again with 1000 packet, and in between I will make that down this ISP connection, that is GE0/1 150 interface G0/1 shutdown. It's down, but here you can see the still packet is sending through the MPLS, and even you can see there is no single blip. It's automatically switched. Here you will see 0 packet loss, 1000 received. It received all the acknowledgement, right? Even our internet is down. If I will show you here, show control connection, like tab, so you will see that our internet is down in connect state. If I will ping from here, ping 11.1.1.2, sorry, 1 is our gateway. It's not pinging because I have just shut down this interface. Okay, and here you can see 0 packet loss. Now we will check the tunnel statistics. At what does it says? Here you can see that it was sending the packet from this internet from 11 to 18. There is a packet duplication at 57 and 137 packet it sent from this one, this packet duplication. It's transmitting TX, not receiving, it's transmitting, right? So total is 994 delivered. I think there's some calculation issue maybe in this one. Otherwise, means here you can see that all the packet has been received, 0 packet loss, 1000 received. So basically what it does, 857 packet it has sent through this link, and other 137 packet has sent from this link. So totally it has been received on other side, total 994. Let me clear this one. I'll show you again. Clear tunnel statistics. Let me unshut. No shutdown. Okay. Now I will go to the hub location also. admin, admin, show tunnel statistics, packet duplication, hit tab. So here I need to clear this one, clear tunnel statistics. Now we will ping again and we will make it drop. So we will ping again from the branch 1000 packet. Now I will make it down, shut down, done. Okay. Here on branch 1, still it is pinging. Now we will see show tunnel statistics, packet duplication, pipe tab. So you can see 530 packet it is sent through the internet and 454 packet is sent to the from this MPLS one. And if I will go to the TC, so what it is says on the branch it is transmitting, and on here it is saying receiving. So there are multiple tunnels, you know that, because every internet having tunnel with MPLS, internet is having, basically there are 4 tunnel currently in between, from one from MPLS to MPLS, internet to internet, internet to MPLS, and this MPLS to this internet. So basically the 4 tunnel. So for any path it will be used to send this packet. So basically any packet will not be dropped. Whatever the available path is available between these side, it will use that, right? So
But we
so
are seeing packet drops, Sachin.
pardon,
We are seeing the packet drops, na?
where is the packet drop?
984.
No, there is some calculation, I think, Puram, but here you will see that there is a no packet drop, 0%.
No, no, this don't go in percent, because if only one packet, let's say only one packet was dropped out of 1,000, it will not show you 1%, because it is not that much granular in percentage. But when we are seeing the receive and transmitted data, we can see how many packets we have received and sent, right? So this is the calculation we have been receiving, and this is not the first time. This is the second capture we have taken. Last time it was 994. This time 984.
Yeah, that may be the lab issue, but it works like in a way that, so maybe it's a there's image issue or whatever it is, but it the packet duplication work like this way that I am showing to you, that how it's working. And other thing, you will see that packet capable, it will show you the true. Before that it will show you the false. So the packet, after the packet duplication enable, it will show you the true option, right? So that may be the lab issue or iOS issue, but it worked like in a way that it always send the duplicate packet to the other transport, right? That's something you can take consider with the tag, that why it's having drop. That is not my concern. That is not, but it works. I have seen that one. In production environment, if you'll find this kind of issue, the tag may be the help, that why the 4 packet getting dropped and why this issue. So this how that this packet duplication policy works. Let me deactivate that one.
So
So
that
our
policy we have applied on a particular age
particular
or
edge,
or
yeah,
yeah.
particular
So
edge.
So it's anyway going to the DC location. So we have applied on the DC as well, or is just an on edge wherein we want
Now we have defined the prefix list, or maybe for example, we have this prefix list that this IP is critical for me. And when we
hmm,
define the policy, we have applied on the site only,
edge
not on the
area.
DC.
Okay.
From the DC, we have taken the prefix list. For in your example, you have asked the question that if my hub location is critical, then I need to apply for every site. Yes, then we need to map for every site. We can create one list, that all site list, and that include your site 10, 20, 30, 50, 51. All site will be included. Under the policy, you can just map the list, and for all the sites, that destination prefix will be the same. And it will, if this site want to reach to this destination, it will duplicate the packet for that destination for every for with help of every transport. So that's how it will work. Okay, so let me close this.
Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.